Children, let us continue the chapter polynomial. Now let us solve the second exercise of the polynomial. This is exercise 2. The first question is, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at x equals 0, at x equals minus 1, at x equals 2. Now you take the polynomial. Let us take p of x equals 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Then here the first one is at x equals 0. That is p of x equals 5x minus 4x square plus 3. We have to find p of 0. In the place of x, we have to put 0 here. At x equals 0, p of x equals 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So p of 0 equals 5x means 5 into x, that is 5 into 0, minus 4 into x square, that is 4 into 0 square, plus 3 it is. That equals 5 into 0 is 0, minus again it is 0 square is 0, 4 into 0 is 0, plus 3. So p of 0 is equals to 3 it is. P of 0 is equals to 3. The second one, at x equals minus 1. At x equals minus 1. So you write the p of x equals 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So p of minus 1 it is. Then it is 5 into minus 1. The value of x is here minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. Then it is 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 4, minus 1 whole square is, that is into 1 it is, plus 3. So it is minus 5, minus 4 into 1, minus 4, plus 3 it is, plus 3. So p of 1 equals, that is p of minus 1 equals, p of minus 1 equals minus 5, minus 5, minus 4, you can add them, that becomes minus 9 plus 3. Then it is p of minus 1 is equals to minus 9 plus 3. Here there are signs are different, minus 9 plus 3t. So you subtract 3 from 9, that is 6. The greater number 9 is having negative sign, so you write minus 6 it is. Then the third one, at x equals 2 it is. Right, p of x equals 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Then p of 2 it is. So in the place of x we have to write 2. So 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square it is, plus 3. So p of 2 is equals to 5 2s are 10 minus 4 into 2 square is 4. 4 into 4 plus 3 it is. So p of 2 is equals to 10, 4 4s are 16, plus 3. Then it becomes p of 2 is equals to, add this positive first, that becomes 13 minus 16. So 16 minus 13 is, that is 3. The greater number 16 is having negative sign, so it is minus 3. P of 2 is equals to minus 3. Next, second mean, find p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for each of the polynomial. Each of the following polynomial. Each of the following polynomial. Here there are 4 polynomials. Now let us take one by one. First polynomial you take here. P of y is equals to y square minus y plus 1. Y square minus y plus 1. Now here Find P of 0, P of 1, P of 2. First you take P of 1, P of 0 you take. P of 0, that becomes 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Then that becomes P of 0 is equals to 0 minus 0 plus 1. So it is P of 0 is equals to 0 minus 0 plus 1 is 1. Now you take second one, that is P of 1. Again you write P of y. P of y is equals to y square minus y plus 1. Then P of 1. P of 1 is equals to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So P of 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 plus 1. So P of 1 is equals to, here 1 square is 1, minus 1 plus 1. 1 cancels. Plus 1 minus 1 cancels. What is remaining? 1. P of 1 is equals to 1. Next third one, P of 2. Again you write P of y is equals to y square minus y plus 1. So P of 2 is equals to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. In the place of y you put 2. Then P of 2 is equals to 2 square is 2 into 2, that is 4 minus 2 plus 1. P of 2 is equals to, you know that 4 plus 1, add them, 5 minus 2. So P of 2 is equals to 5 minus 2, 3 it is. 5 minus 2, 3. In this way you got P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for the polynomial P of y is equals to y square minus y plus 1. That is for one polynomial. Next you take the second one. Second polynomial, that is P of t is equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube it is. Then first one, P of 0. P of 0 is equals to, you write 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube it is. In the place of t we have to put 0. So then P of 0 is equals to 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0, 2 into 0 is 0 it is, 0 minus 0. So you will get P of 0 is equals to, that is 0 only. P of 0 is equals to 2 plus 0 minus 0, that becomes 2 it is. P of 0 is equals to 2. 0 is there, 0, 0, 0. So here P of 0 is equals to 0. Then you take again for P of 2. So you write P of t is equals to, the second one here, P of t is equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. So P of 1 it is. P of 1 is equals to 2 into 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube it is. In the place of t you write 1 here. Then P of 1 is equals to 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square is 2 into 1, that is 2 minus 1. Then P of 1 is equals to, you know that 1 you can cancel, that becomes 4. Otherwise add this positive. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 1. Then P of 1 is equals to 4 it is. P of 1 is equals to 4. Next you take, again you write P of t is equals to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube, then p of 2 it is, p of 2, then it becomes 2 plus t means 2 plus 2, t means 2, 2 square minus 2 cube it is. In the place of t you write 2. Then p of 2 is equals to 2 plus 2 plus, you know that 2 into 2 square is 4 it is, minus 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Then p of 2 is equals to, that is 2 plus 8 minus 8, and you know that p of 2 is equals to this 8 and 8 minus 8 cancels. What is remaining? 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 it is. In this way, for the second polynomial you got p of 0, p of 1, p of 2. Next you take the third one. Third one is p of x equals x cube. P of x equals x cube. Then p of 0 you take. P of 0 is equals to 0 cube. Therefore, p of 0 is equals to 0. Next you take p of x equals x cube. P of how much? P of 1. P of 1 is equals to 1 cube. So, p of 1 is equals to 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 only. Next p of 2. So, you take p of x equals x cube. So, p of 2 is equals to 2 cube. So, p of 2 is equals to 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 it is. In this way you got the value of p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for the third polynomial, p of x equals x cube. Next you take the fourth one. P of x equals x minus 1 into x plus 1. X minus 1 into x plus 1. Then you take p of 0 it is. P of 0, that becomes 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. In the place of x you put 0. So, p of 0 is equals to 0 minus 1 is minus 1 into 1. 0 plus 1 is 1 here. So, p of 0 is equals to 1 into minus 1 into 1 is, that is minus 1, negative 1. Next you take, again you take that one. P of x equals x minus 1 into x plus 1. Then that is for p of 1 it is. Second one, p of 1. You write, in the place of x you write 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. Then p of 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 is 0 into 2 it is. Into 2, or you can write 0 into 0 in one bracket and 1 bracket. 0 into 2 it is. So, p of 1 is equal to 0 into 2 is 0 only. 0 into 2 is 0. Next you take p of x is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Then p of what it is? P of 2. P of 2 is equals to 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. So, it is p of 2 is equals to 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3. So, 1 into 3, that is p of 2 is equals to 1 into 3 is 3 it is. In this way, you got p of 0, p of 1, p of 2 for all the 4 polynomials. The next question is, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So, let us take one by one. First, you take the question number third question, that is verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. First one, you take P of x is equals to 3x plus 1. Here x equals minus 1 by 3. At x equals minus 1 by 3. Yeah? Here verify whether the following are zeros, means P of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 must be equals to 0. Let us verify whether it is a root or not, whether it is 0 or not. So you take, first you take the given P of x equals 3x plus 1. That is the given polynomial. Then here what we have to find out? P of minus 1 by 3 is equals to 3 into x, you put minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Here what? You have to take at x equals minus 1 by 3. Then it becomes P of minus 1 by 3 is equals to 3 cancels here. So what is remaining? Minus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 0. Minus 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. That is, therefore, P of minus 1 by 3 is equals to 0. Therefore, you can take that minus 1 by 3. X equals minus 1 by 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Is 0 of polynomial in x, P of x. Now you take the second one. What is that second one? P of x equals 5x minus pi. X equals 4 by 5 here. P of x equals 5x minus pi. So at x equals 4 by 5. At x equals 4 by 5 here. So you write here P of x equals 5x minus pi here. Then P of 4 by 5. Then P of 4 by 5 is equals to 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi it is. So P of 4 by 5 is equals to 5 cancels. It becomes 4 minus pi, which is not equals to 0 it is. Here you know that this is not equals to 0. Therefore, you can say that here x equals 4 by 5 is not 0 of P of x. Is not 0 of P of x. Next you take the third one. Then the third one is P of x equals x square minus 1. X equals 1 and minus 1. Two values are given here. Now you take P of x equals x square minus 1. First you take x equals 1 here. That is P of 1 is equals to, you know that 1 square minus 1 it is. 1 square minus 1. So P of 1 is equals to 1 square is 1 minus 1. So it is equals to 0. So P of 1 is equals to 0. This 1 is a x equals 1 is a 0 of P of x. Next you take again x equals minus 1. Write that That is for first one. Next you take P of x equals x square minus 1. That is P of minus 1 here. P of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 square, minus 1 whole square minus 1. That is P of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole square is also 1 minus 1, that equals 0. Therefore you got P of minus 1 is also 0. So x equals minus 1 is a 0 of P of x. Here you got two zeros. You know that here it is a square, x square. Therefore x equals 1 minus 1 are zeros of P of x. Zeros of P of x. Next you take the fourth one. Fourth one is P of x equals x plus 1 into x minus 2 at x equals minus 1 and 2. Here also there are two values. Now you write P of x equals, for first it is P of x equals x plus 1 into x minus 2. But you take first value, that is P of minus 1 is equals to, you know that minus 1 plus 1 it becomes into minus 1 minus 2. In the place of x we have to put minus 1 here. So P of minus 1 is equals to, the sum of minus 1 and plus 1 is here 0. 0 into minus 3 it is. The sum of minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 3. That is 0 into minus 3 is 0. Therefore you got P of minus 1 is equals to 0. So x equals minus 1 is a root of P of x. Then you take the next root, next value, that is x equals 2. Then again you write P of x here. P of x is equals to x plus 1 into x minus 2. Then it is P of 2 it is equals to 2 plus 1. In the place of x you write 2. Then it is 2 minus 2. Then it becomes P of 2 is equals to 2 plus 1 is 3 into 2 minus 2 is 0. Again it is equals to 0. 3 into 0 is 0. So P of 2 you got 0. Again you can say x equals 2 is a 0 of P of x. Therefore x equals minus 1 and 2 are zeros of P of x, are zeros of P of x here. Next one you take, that is fifth one. P of x equals x square at x equals 0. At x equals 0. So here it is, right, P of x equals x square. Then P of 0 is equals to, you know that 0 square, that is 0. So you got P of 0 is equals to 0. Then x equals 0 is a root of, is a 0 of, you write, is a 0 of P of x equals x square. P of x equals x square. Then you take the sixth one. Sixth one, P of x equals Lx plus m at x equals minus m by L. So right here P of x equals Lx plus m. P of x equals Lx plus m then P of x is minus m by L is equals to L into, in the place of x you write minus m by L plus m, here L into minus m by L, that is P of minus m by L. You know that L cancels here. What is remaining here? Minus m plus m. Minus m plus m is, that is 0. Minus m plus m is equals to 0. Therefore, here it is P of minus m by L. You got 0. Then what you can say here? X equals minus m by L is a 0 of P of x. Is a 0 of P of x. Next one you take, that is 7th one. 7th one is P of x equals 3x square minus 1. Here x equals minus 1 by root 3, comma 2 by root 3 it is. 2 by root 3. Then you take P of x first. P of x is equals to 3x square minus 1. First to take x equals minus 1 by root 3. P of minus 1 by root 3. P of minus 1 by root 3 is equals to 3 into minus 1 by root 3 whole square minus 1. Then P of minus 1 by root 3 is equals to 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square is, that is into 1 by 3 you can write, minus 1 it is. So P of minus 1 by root 3 is equals to 3 cancels, 1 minus 1, you will get 0 here. Therefore you got P of minus 1 by root 3 is equals to 0. So you can say that x equals minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 of P of x. Next you take 2 by root 3. P of x equals, you write P of x equals 3x square minus 1. Then P of 2 by 3. P of 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. So it is 3 into 2 by root 3 whole square minus 1. Then 3 into, that becomes 4 by 3 it is, minus 1. 3 cancels. P of 2 by root 3 is equals to, we will get 4 minus 1. That is P of 2 by root 3 is equals to 3, which is not equals to 0 here. Which is not equals to 0. Therefore what you can say here? X equals 2 by root 3 is not 0 of P of x. Therefore x equals 2 by root 3 is not a 0 of, not a 0 of P of x. That x equals minus 1 by root 3 is a 0, but x equals 2 by root 3 is not 0 of the P of x. Then let us take the 8th one. That is P of x equals 2x plus 1. P of x equals 2x plus 1 at x equals 1 by 2. At x equals 1 by 2. Then you write P of x equals 2x plus 1. Then P of 1 by 2 is equals to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. So P of 1 by 2 is equals to 2 cancels here. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, which is not equals to 0. Therefore, you can say that P of 1 by 2 is not equals to 0. So x equals 1 by 2 is not 0 of P of x. X equals 1 by 2 is not 0 of P of x. In this way, here we verified whether the given value is the 0 of P of x or not. Now let us take the fourth question. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Question 4. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. First one, P of x equals x plus 5. Here for P of 0, here we have to find out P of x equals 0. Here you take what? First here you take P of x equals x plus 5, means P of x equals 0 means 0 implies x plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore x equals 0 minus 5, that implies x equals minus 5. So here which is a 0? Minus 5 is a 0 of the polynomial P of x. Here we have to take x plus 5 is equals to 0 as P of x equals 0. Here find the 0 of the polynomial means we have to consider P of x equals 0 for some value of x here. So you got the value x equals minus 5. For x equals minus 5, that P of x is 0. So the minus 5 is a root of the polynomial P of x. Next one you take P of x equals x minus 5. Second one, P of x equals x minus 5. So you take P of x equals x minus 5. So it is for P of x equals 0 implies x minus 5 is equals to 0. Then x equals 0 plus 5 it becomes. Here minus 5 is to be transferred to RHS. So it becomes x equals 0 plus 5. So x equals 5 it is. So what is the value of x here? The 0 is here. X equals 5. Therefore you take, 5 is a 0 of polynomial P of x. 5 is a 0 of polynomial P of x. Next one you take third one, P of x equals 2x plus 5. P of x equals 2x plus 5. You take P of x equals 2x plus 5. Here it is P of x must be equals to 0. Implies what must be equals to 0? 2x plus 5 must be equals to 0. As P of x is equals to 0, that implies 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Now you transfer this 5 to the RHS. It becomes 2x is equals to 0 minus 5. So 2x is equals to, you got minus 5. Then x is equals to, it becomes minus 5 by 2. X is equals to minus 5 by 2 by transferring 2 to the RHS. Therefore, you can say that which is the 0 here, minus 5 by 2 is a 0 of P of x, 0 of polynomial P of x. Polynomial P of x. Next you take, that is fourth one, P of x equals 3x minus 2. P of x equals 3x minus 2. So you take the polynomial in x, that is 3x minus 2. So P of x equals 0. That implies 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. 3x minus 2 is equals to 0 here. Then you transfer minus 2 to RHS, that becomes 3x is equals to 0 plus 2. So it is 3x is equals to 2. Then x is equals to 2 by 3. So which is a 0 here? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is a 0 of polynomial P of x. 2 by 3 is 0 of polynomial P of x. Next, fifth one. P of x equals 3x. P of x equals 3x. So you take P of x equals 3x. P of x is equals to 0. P of x must be equals to 0 for some value of x. That implies 3x must be equals to 0. Then x is equals to 0 by 3, that is equals to 0. So you got x equals 0. So 0 is a root of the polynomial P of x. Therefore 0 is a 0 of is a polynomial. 0 is a 0 of polynomial P of x here. Next one, the sixth one, P of x equals ax. Here a is not equals to 0. So you take that P of x is equals to ax it is. P of x is equals to ax. So for some values of x, P of x must be equals to 0. That implies ax must be equals to 0. Ax must be equals to 0. Then x equals what? 0 by a, that is equals to 0. So you got x equals 0. Therefore you can say that again here 0 is a 0 of polynomial P of x. 0 is a 0 of polynomial P of x. Then the next seventh one is there. Here it is sixth one. Then you take the seventh one, that is P of x equals cx plus d. That is c is not equals to 0, where c and d are real numbers. So you take here P of x equals cx plus d. It is given that c is not equals to 0. Then for some values of x, P of x must be equals to 0. Means cx plus d must be equals to 0. So it becomes Cx is equals to 0 minus d. So Cx is equals to minus d it is. That implies x is equals to minus d by c. X is equals to minus d by c it is. Therefore, minus d by c is a 0 of polynomial p of x here. So you got the zeros for the all